money in a portfolio of any kind, then you're certainly going to want to listen up. There is some important information that you need to know. And here to help us navigate through the money waters is our Financial Friday segment. And I'm joined by Richard Ringgold, a certified financial planner and investment advisor. Good morning, Richard. So great to have you on.
How are you doing, Stephanie?
I'm fabulous. Great to have you back. Kind of remind everybody for just tuning in with us a little bit about yourself.
Well, I'm a certified financial planner. I've been here in Southwest Florida since the year 2000, and I specialize in all the areas that people need to get financial advice in.
And talk a little bit about that tactical portfolio management.
Yeah, that's really important. It's kind of a fancy-sounding term, but for something that really is simple, we try to manage our portfolios. Our money managers, not me, our money managers will rotate investments inside the portfolio to match the state of the market. If the market's doing really well, bullish if you will, we'll be invested in things that are going up. And if it starts to where it's not looking so good, they'll make a defensive shift so that they can avoid a large drawdown. And
what does that market look like right now?
Well, it's choppy. It really is. It's been up and down. We've had some very volatile times since really about this time last summer. They've had two big drawdowns.
Why is it important to maybe invest in someone like yourself to help us navigate through all of that choppiness at times?
Well, if you need to find a way to avoid these large losses. And if you can't do that, then you're going to suffer as an investor. If you go back to the year 2000 to 2013, the market was essentially unchanged. That's just devastating if you have a portfolio.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
Well, and you need to be able to kind of handle that with somebody who has experience and who knows the market.
Right, and the good news is I'm not the person managing the money, okay?
Right.
We actually hire professional money managers. But just like to explain how one of them would work so you get a feel for it. When the market's running good, bullish, so to speak, they take of the Standard & Poor 500, the largest companies, they pick the top 50 companies, the ones that pay the highest dividends, and they fully invest in these individual stocks, very aggressive. But the market, it's safe to do it because the market's going up. But when they get the signal that the market isn't doing well, then they go to cash.
Exactly what to do.
They sell everything off, they go to cash. And they, as an example, last July, the market topped out. 4 days later, they were in cash.
Wow. And
they missed all this up and down that we've had in August and then again in February. They were completely out.
Wow.
They got back in March, and they've been going up ever since. So.
Well, we've got a little less than a minute left, and I want to send everybody to your website, ringgoldandassociates.com. You can find a wealth of information there, as well as different videos that you are hosting. You're a radio show host.
Yeah, all the areas that I talk about here, or we just maybe mentioned, I've done long shows on with a lot of information. You can, as part of your due diligence, you can go listen to all my money managers or talks on Social Security or Medicare.
You cover a wide variety of topics.
I've covered pretty much everything.
He also has a special offer that he would like to extend to our Morning Blend viewers. It's pretty simple. All you got to do is mention that you saw us here on the Morning Blend. And what do they get, Richard? Yeah,
just give me a call and visit my website and let me know that you watched the show, and complimentary appointment. Talk about absolutely any topic that financial doesn't matter. We'll schedule you in, come in, and try to give you some good information so you can make your decisions.
And again, there's that website right there, ringgoldandassociates.com. Be sure to check it out and take advantage of that special offer. We look forward to having you back for another Financial Friday. So great to see you again.
Okay, Stephanie, thank you.
Also, head online to our website. You can listen to everything we just talked about again at fox4morningblend.com.
Okay, is your moisturizer just not cutting it anymore? After the break, new technology to bring a dull complexion back to life without going under the knife.